Let's make this coffee scene in Blender. And this is a museum of Mahmoud. First add cube. Go to viewport shading. Scale your cube. Add UV sphere. Scale it and make sure your cup and UV sphere inside the cube. Give your cube physics fluid. From type choose domain. Domain type to liquid. Resolution to 64. Time scale to 1. Enable mesh. Change end frame to 90. Select UV sphere. Give it physics. Fluid. From type choose flow. And from flow type choose liquid. From flow behavior, choose inflow. Enable use flow, press play to see result. Now enable initial velocity to relocate flow. According to our axis, we should change x-axis to -1.5. Give your cup physics, fluid, type to effector, return to UV sphere, put keyframe in frame 1. Make sure your render will start from frame 1. Make another keyframe in frame 12. Go to frame 13. Disable use flow and put keyframe. Make sure disable first. Go to domain cube and change type to all, and enable resumable. Finally bake all. Mission done. Now shade smooth UV sphere. Give it coffee material from Blender Kit. Get your coffee pot and relocate it with UV sphere. And hit play. Now you have your coffee. Enjoy it. It is a magic, isn't it? Subscribe now to watch more 3D magic. Don't forget to be happy. It's a museum of Mahmoud.